Hi, I'm Lucy from Jackson Woodturners.
And I'm Joanne from Jackson Woodturners.
And today we're just going to have a quick chat about, is it a big job getting your stairs replaced? Or is it quite easy and quite straightforward?
It does actually depend on the joiner you get. You do need someone that specialises in staircases, ideally.
Yeah.
Because it is a different job to doing a kitchen, a bathroom. And what we would recommend is that you find a few local joiners.
Yeah.
Get a few different quotes and get a feel for the joiner as well.
Yeah.
I think it does make a difference when someone's doing a big job for you, like your staircase, which you don't do every year, that you feel comfortable with that joiner.
Yeah. Have they got social media? Have they got pictures they can show you of jobs that they've done? Have they got customer recommendations? There's websites like Check a Trade nowadays that you can use.
Yeah.
Use friends and family recommendations.
We often get customers in saying, I've just been to my next door neighbour's party, and they bring a picture of their next door neighbour's staircase, but their next door neighbour probably doesn't even know the ticket.
Yeah.
Let's be honest. So you could then show your joiners that staircase, and they could say, yeah, that's well within my remit, or no, it's not something I would like to touch. So that's also an ideal thing for you to do. If you've got a picture of the staircase that you actually want, show it to your joiners.
But also decide on what you want. Do you want your newels changing? A lot of people have got small 70mm newels. There's not a lot you can do with that. Find somebody who can change those newels for you, replace them. At the end of the day, this is your house and you're paying for the job. So you get what you want. Don't be swayed by what the joiner can do or recommend. That's why we say, go out there, get a couple of different quotes. Ask what's the day rate. Ask how long it's going to take. To be honest, most flights of stairs can be done in a day, day and a half.
Yeah.
2 days maximum, depending on what you're doing. You're having glass that's got to be custom made, then they'll fit the carcass of it, measure it for the glass, and then come back in a couple of weeks. If you've got dogs or children, ask them what are they going to put in place while you're waiting for things like glass. But it's not a big job. You're not going to have somebody in your house for a week. It's a quick renovation project, and if you're stuck to know what you want, give us a call. We're here to help. We're here to advise. That's our job.
Yeah. We often get browsers. We call them browsers that come in. They don't have measurements. So it would be ideal if you are coming to browse, bring your measurements if you can. Even if they're not totally accurate, we can still give you a rough guide. And it's a good idea to come in and have a look at what you can have. We often get someone coming in saying, I'm coming in for glass.
Yeah.
And they go out with a spindle.
Yeah.
Because seeing things in real life, touching them.
Yeah.
And seeing that real product often changes customers' minds. And then you can go out to your joiners and say, yes, this is what I've decided to have. And they can give you a more accurate cost and also time frame. And bear in mind that when it's near a time like Christmas, everyone wants their staircase done for Christmas. Give that joiner a little bit more time. So maybe start shopping around early autumn.
Yeah, if not sooner.
Yeah, if not sooner.
To be honest, because often come by September time, the joiners are full for Christmas.
Yes, they are.
You kind of need to be, if you're wanting it done for Christmas, be thinking about it June, July time. Most good joiners are booked up 6 to 8 weeks.
At least, yeah.
At the quiet times of the year.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are here to help. We are here to advise. If you've got any questions, please give us a call. Drop us an email. Ideally, come in and see us. Bring pictures, bring videos, and always bring measurements.
Yeah.
And we can help you.
We'd be more than happy to help.
Yeah. Hope to see you soon.